All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is March 22nd when I'm recording this, and we've day is wrapped up, and we had the FOMC. So, as we had the usual kind of back and forth, down, up, whatever, and then towards the end of the day, finally got a lot of selling. So, pretty typical FOMC day where a lot of craziness kind of happens. Now, I will say, for right in here on the hourly chart, we've got a 50, 200, 50 maneuver, and we got another one. We have a 50, 200, 50 maneuver. And I was telling this to the subscribers. I was like, look, first of all, I don't really want to do anything leading up into the FOMC for exactly this reason. And I said, honestly, I'm not entirely convinced that this up move is really going to last. And I said, we were looking right at a 50, 250 maneuver. And so far that's worked out. Now, kind of what we need to do is figure out if this is going to be bullish or not. Because remember last time we came down, it was not. However, we do have some divergence setting up, so the possibility is there. It's really kind of just tough to tell what the market is going to do because it's been going sideways for so long, and I can't tell if we have a 50 crossing over 200s, that could be bullish, but then again we're starting to lose it, that if the Moxie indicator continues to print red and we continue to get rejected underneath the daily 50, and if this kind of just continues to fall down like this, we could be looking at more downside. Now, it's hard to balance that because we are looking at the NASDAQ, which has been fairly strong. Now, that doesn't mean it can't go down, but it's been fairly strong. And we are seeing names like, let's see, Amazon, which look like they are trying to go higher. I mean, we look at this, we're making a higher low, the Moxie indicator's above zero, this looks like it's trying. And we even see ARK. That looks like it's trying, because if you look at this, you can see in through this area, it was making lower lows, and now we're making higher lows, and again we're really right there. It looks just like it wants to go up like that, but it doesn't mean that it has to. In fact, we can look at something like Perch, just as an example, to show you that Perch looked like it was going to go up. You could see all the same things, like holding price. We finally get up, look for the pullback, and it fails. So this is kind of where we're at. Nothing is impervious. Things can fail. And what we're trying to do is just figure out what's going to be happening with the economy, the yield curve inversion, recession, what is the Fed going to do, pivot, bank failures. I mean, there's just a lot going on. There are some sectors that are moving up. In fact, if we look at Red Robin, which is a burger joint, look at this thing. It's been doing pretty well. Maybe this thing can continue up in a recession theme because certain restaurants can go up because cheap restaurants. You got to take family someplace, and so maybe something like this could be working out. But then again, I think you see Perch going down. ARK looks like it wants to get going up. So there's a lot of moving parts out there, and you really just kind of have to figure out which stock is doing well in this environment and trade it as long as you can until things change. So that's kind of the nature of the beast right now. Things are very, very much all over the place, and it's hard to really stick an exact theme on any one something. So, all right, guys, thanks again. We'll catch you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.